What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys can hear me. We're using my helmet and everything, so I have my chin strap on there, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But let's go ahead and do this. There we go. If you guys want to see more videos like this and you enjoy it, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Real quick, we are cruising on my stretched mini that I custom built myself, so let's get it.